All right, guys, so our last trial that we've got going on here, we are going to look at different amounts of different amounts of solute. So we are going to, in our right-hand side beaker, this one over here, we are going to put 1 gram of copper sulfate in. And in our left-hand side beaker, so this one over here, we are gonna put 2 grams of copper sulfate in. We're still gonna measure the time to dissolve. If you look at the board behind us though, it is up to you to determine what then are the 4 things that we are keeping the same, okay? If you are unsure, go back to one of the previous videos, figure out what those were that we kept the same, and then modify it based on what we're doing in this experiment. Shouldn't be too hard to figure out. I'm gonna go ahead and add these, and then we will start the timer. So again, 2 grams on the left-hand side, 1 gram on the right-hand side. So as we're watching these, we can think about what we've seen from previous examples. We do know that neither one of these are crushed. So our right-hand side beaker has taken 10 minutes in the past. So we would expect that it'll be close to 10 minutes again this time. We'll see what happens on the left-hand side. Remember, that beaker has double the amount. So as you're thinking about this, you could be thinking about what do you expect to happen there. All right, so it's looking like this one on the right-hand side is about to be done. And I think we're good. So we'll put that one down at 12 minutes and 5 seconds. And now we're just waiting for that one on the left-hand side to finish up. So you can see, if you're looking at the video, we've still got some chunks down here. So we're still waiting for those to disappear. And it's looking like we're just about done with the one on the left-hand side. So waiting for that last little bit to disappear. We've almost completely dissolved everything. And it looks like we're good. So we'll go with 18 minutes and 49 seconds for our 2 grams. So as you look at this, you can also notice, just a fun thing to point out, we added double the amount to the one on the left as we did to the one on the right. And you can see that that color of the solution on the left-hand side is significantly darker than the one on the right-hand side. So later on when we talk about concentrations, we'll see why that is, that the left-hand side one is darker than the right-hand side. All right, make sure that you get this data into your data table. For 1 gram, it was 12 minutes and 5 seconds, and for 2 grams, it was 18 minutes and 49 seconds.